Right, okay, let's look at the Steve Reich piece. This is the third part of the electric counterpoint. It's important to know this was all performed by one person and all recorded onto what we call a tape loop, but it really just means a computer loop. When performed live, there is one live player playing over these backing tracks. And this kind of music is an example of minimalism. So we start with just one guitar. The other guitars come in one by one quite quickly. Since the guitars play roughly the same melody but at different times, we could say they are in canon, which means around. It's like row, row, row your boat when everybody starts singing it at different times. So there are a total of 7 guitar parts, and as you can hear, 1 bass guitar part. The final guitar part comes in with a strummed chord sequence. Most of the electric guitars are playing a 1-bar riff. The texture throughout this piece is polyphonic because there are different parts playing different rhythms at the same time. Basically speaking, the piece has a triple time feel to it. Most of the guitars are playing in 3/2, that's 3 minims per bar. Most of this piece is in E minor, and it has been so far, until a modulation now to C major. Then it goes back to E minor, and the modulations become more and more frequent throughout the piece. Later in the piece, the strummed guitar part fades out. Some of the parts are in a different time signature, like 12/8, which gives a kind of 4/3 feel. And the piece ends with a fortissimo, that's very loud, climax from the solo guitar.